What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'll be giving you guys an update on Kaspa, and the entire crypto market is acting very strange right now. But please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm, I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as you guys can see right now, Bitcoin is trading at 59,500. And just last night, it had broken back above 61,000. But then it seems like right whenever the market learned that US inflation falls to 2.9%, it dropped, which is actually very interesting. In my opinion, this is just another one of those cases of buy the rumor, sell the news, because this is actually really good news, and it could lead to rates getting cut. But if you look at the entire crypto market right now, it's really just waiting for Bitcoin to actually make a move. I'll go over Bitcoin technical analysis at the end of the video, but you can see we are still very indecisive. And we're basically just in a smaller falling wedge right now. And then if you look at the larger time frames like the daily, we are in a massive falling wedge. But nonetheless, Kaspa is currently the 21st largest crypto, trading at a price point of just under 17 cents. And what I do like to see about Kaspa is that it is completely green. That's a good sign because you want your altcoin to show strength when Bitcoin shows strength. And at the moment, their market cap is 4.1 billion. But if we take a look at the Kasplex account, they just posted 20 hours ago. The community continues to expand. Congrats. 50,250 on Discord and 40,000 on Telegram. Join the Kaspa community. And this is huge to see. That's a lot of people who are very bullish on Kaspa. And I know I say this all the time, but I think it's very important. You have to understand, at the end of the day, community is the number one most important thing in crypto. Because community is what is going to build hype around a project, and hype is what is going to drive price. So definitely, if you guys haven't joined their Discord or Telegram, go ahead and join it. And then they posted 12 hours ago, adoption and network security continue to strengthen. Now, obviously, this is also very good to see. And then lastly, they posted on August 9th, KRC20 update. And this is what Kasplex posted. This weekend, Kasplex protocol will begin small-scale testing on TN10. All KRC20 wallet development teams have been informed about the new KRC20 standards. A new computation layer has been introduced to the Kasplex indexer. Public testing will kick off once the RBF and fee estimation API are integrated into the wallets. But in general, I still think KRC20 could be huge for Kaspa. This is going to help significantly with their ecosystem. And at the end of the day, the ecosystem is what makes a lot of these layer ones. That's why projects like Ethereum, Solana, BNB have all found major success. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow, at Crypto Now or Never. I post in here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. You guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we have been making some huge gains in here. One of the biggest calls was Hoppy, which I posted a buy alert on April 21st at a $580,000 market cap, and Hoppy ran up to over an $87 million market cap. That is around a 150x. Just to put that in perspective, if you guys had invested $1,000, your $1,000 would have been worth around $150,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Kaspa on the daily time frame. And I actually have very mixed opinions about this chart. The number one thing that I like to see is that price action is still trading above the 200-day moving average. That is very important, and even Bitcoin cannot say the same thing. My issue right now is that you could argue we are in either a bear flag or an ascending triangle. Usually both of those patterns are going to break down. And if this were to break down to the measure move, it'll take you down to around 11 cents, which obviously is not going to be a great thing to see. Although I will say if it does break to the downside, there's a chance it does get a bounce off of the 200-day or the point of control on the VRVP. So purely from a structure standpoint, I don't love the look of the chart. But again, it is holding a lot better than Bitcoin right now. Now this right here is Bitcoin on the hourly time frame rather than the daily, because I think this is actually very important. So after the inflation data came out, Bitcoin got absolutely nuked. But what's interesting is it did wake up and it still closed above the 200-day moving average. This is very important to see. As long as we're trading above this level, we still have a chance. But if we break beneath this, I think there's a very good chance that we fall all the way down to the bottom of this wedge, which would take us down to about 57,000. Now, kind of like what I was talking about earlier in the video, you have to understand that in general, Bitcoin is still in a massive falling wedge or a bull flag, however you want to look at it. So a lot of people right now are getting so caught up into what is going on a day-to-day time frame that they're losing sight of the bigger picture. Typically, falling wedges and bull flags are extremely bullish. Both of them break up 68% of the time. So there is a good chance that by the time we reach October or November, Bitcoin is absolutely flying. But as always, make sure you do your own research. Bitcoin is extremely volatile. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Kaspa will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.